Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I have here my Boxycharm. I came from work and head straight to filming this as this one arrived just today or right before I started filming. So this one right here, this is September 2019 box. September 2019 box, and if you're interested what I got in this month's box, then please keep on watching. So this month's theme is all access, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full sizes in one skincare. So the first one we've got right here, it's in a particular order. So the first one is this palette right here. This is by the brand Tarte, and it says Clay Play Face Shaping Palette by Tarte, and these retails for $45. I don't know, the packaging looks old to me because as you can see there are like white spots right there. It looks old, but the inside is still good and it still looks pretty. It's more on neutral kind of shade, so it's more on a safer side. So for sure I'm gonna be using because the shades are just right for my skin tone. So I've mentioned the price already, but I will repeat it. It's $45 and I only paid $23 for the entire box. So this next item is this one right here. This is by the brand Dr. Brandt. It's so rushed out, I don't know. So this is by the brand Dr. Brandt, and it's called BIOTIC Recovery Sleeping Mask. So this sleeping mask weighs, is it clear? So this sleeping mask weighs let me see, 1.7 ounces or 50 grams, and it's kind of pricey. It's $52 for this small amount. So let me give you an example. This is a 10 fluid ounces or 295 ml, while this one right here, as I have mentioned, it's 50 grams or 1.0 ounces. So see the difference there. So this, I don't know if I'm gonna buy it, but it's too pricey. $52. Now let's proceed to the third item. We've got these brushes right here. So these brushes retails for $27.95, and this is with the brand MŌDA, and it's called 5-piece brush set. I'm not gonna open it because I have to tear it off, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna be using this. So we've got the shade, the crease, the detail, the smudge, and the line brushes. And second to the last item we've got right here is this Han & Henry Blickity Black eyeliner. This one right here. I'm not sure if it's showing. The items are white and it's all washed out. So this retails for $20 for an eyeliner. And last but not the least is we got this $1 billion brows. This one right here. The Microblade Effect Brow Pen. This retails for $18. And I remember I received one from the previous box. It's the same brand, but this is a bit longer. Probably it's because it has a spoolie. So this is what I got in this month. So it's $18. So the value of the entire box is $162.95, but I only paid $23. So I'm so glad that they've included the box of the palette, this one right here, just in case I might give it away. The box is there. It's just a bit disappointing because the packaging looks like old. I'm not sure. I'm gonna check this there in the store if it's the same, but hopefully, because it really looks old. But other than that, everything looks flawless. And the brushes, these ones right here, I've got a lot of brushes. I'm so glad that you can never have enough when it comes to brushes. I'm so glad that they keep sanding brushes. And this mask right here that is worth $1,000,000, $2. This must be good. And if you're gonna ask me if I'm gonna buy it individually or from their website or anywhere that is 52, I would say no, I'm not, because it's too expensive. It's too expensive for me. And yeah, overall the box is really worth it, and I don't have any plans of discontinuing my subscription yet. So yeah, if you want to subscribe to Boxycharm, then I have the link provided down below. So it's easy for you. You just have to click it and subscribe. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then please don't forget to click the like button. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next post. I love you. Bye.